Boom! Eyes wide. Pagani Huayra Roadster BC just detonated. 791 raging horses from that AMG twin-turbo V12, unleashed. 775 pound-feet of torque twisting your guts. Twist. Ignite. The beast roars. Wind screaming in your face like a hurricane. Top down, soul-stripped bare and exposed. Launch control? Hit it hard! Tires howl in agony, thick smoke billows to 60 in a brutal 3.3 seconds. Your spine fuses molten to the carbon fiber seat. Shift, bang. Flames erupt from the exhaust like dragon breath scorching the night. Turbos whistle like incoming missiles locking on. Corner, attack without mercy. Up to 2 Gs crush your chest. Active arrow slams you glued to the asphalt. Tires clawing, screaming for grip like razor claws. Straight line madness. 220 plus mph rocket ride into oblivion. Backfires crack like automatic gunfire ripping the air. This isn't a car. It's a hypercar apocalypse on carbon titanium wheels. 100 pounds of downforce pinning you to reality. Pure chaos. Pure unfiltered ecstasy. You are alive, burning brighter than the sun.